Hello students, in electrostatics we have to see the numerical number 4. The dipole moment of water molecule is given 6.3 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meter. A sample of water contains 10 to the power 21 molecules whose dipole moments are all oriented in an electric field of strength 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Calculate the work done to rotate the dipoles from their initial orientation theta 1 is equals to 0 to 1 in which all the dipoles are perpendicular to the field, that is theta 2 is equals to 90 degree. That means here in this example a water molecule have electric dipole moment 6.3 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meter. It is kept in a electric field of strength, that means intensity 2.5 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Initially that dipole is at an angle of 0 degree, then it is oriented to the angle theta 2 is equals to 90 degree, that means here perpendicular to the electric field intensity. Number of molecules in the given sample of water is given 10 to the power 21, and we have to determine work done while orienting the dipole from 0 degree to 90 degree. Formula for this is that work done that is equals to NPE into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Substitute the value of NPE theta 1 theta 2, and if you simplify this, we get the answer as work done is equals to 1.575 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. Then in next example, we have to see here in a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates, each plate has area of 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 square meter, and the separation between the plates is 2 millimeter. In part A, we have to calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. In part B, if the capacitor is connected to 100 volt supply, what would be the charge on each plate? In part C, how would charge on the plates be affected if a 2 millimeter thick mica sheet of dielectric constant K is equals to 6 is inserted between the plates while the voltage supply remains connected. Now here in this example, here area of each plate is given, distance of separation between the plate is given, voltage supply is given, value of permittivity of free space, that is the value of epsilon 0 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Now in part A, in air capacitor, capacity of the air capacitor is equals to A epsilon 0 upon D. This is the formula for capacity of air capacitor. Substitute the value here, and if we simplify this, we get the capacity of this air capacitor is 2.655 into 10 to the power minus 11 farad. Then here, if to this air capacitor 100 volt supply is connected, we have to determine charge on each plate. Formula for charge on each plate: charge on the plate is charge into potential, capacity into potential. Substitute the value of capacity and potential here. We get the charge on each plate of air capacitor, that is equals to 2.655 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Then here, when the mica sheet of the thickness 2 millimeter is inserted, now here thickness of the mica sheet and distance of separation between the two plates is one and the same. Therefore here the condenser after inserting the mica sheet is equals to K times the capacity of air capacitor. Substitute the value here. We get the capacity of the condenser having mica sheet. It is equals to 15.93 into 10 to the power 11 farad. In this case, the charge on each plate, that is equals to capacity, product of capacity and potential. Substitute the value of capacity and potential. We get the charge on each plate is 15.93 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. In next example, we have to find the equivalent capacitance between P and Q. Given here, area of each plate is A and distance of separation between the plates is D. Now here, in first figure, this is the condition here. In separation d by 3, dielectric constant K1 is equals to 1, here dielectric constant K2 is equals to 3, dielectric constant K3 is equals to 6. Different media of dielectric medium is kept here in the separation d by 3. That means here, in between P and Q, these three capacitors are in a series combination. Therefore here, capacity of the series combination in this case is equals to A epsilon 0 upon D1 upon K1 plus D2 upon K2 plus D3 upon K3. D1, D2, D3. K1, K2, K3. Substitute the value. And if you simplify this, you get the capacity of this capacitor, in this case A, is equals to 2A epsilon 0 upon D. Then in second case, in this part, in K1, in this part, this is dielectric constant K1. Distance of separation is D. Area is A by 2. In this part, K2 is the dielectric constant, dielectric medium. This is the distance of separation, D by 2, area A by 2. In this portion, dielectric media of dielectric constant K3, distance of separation is D by 2, area is A by 2. Now here, these K2 and capacitor having dielectric medium K2 and K3, they are in series combination. Therefore here, capacity of this series combination of these two capacitors, that is equals to area A by 2 epsilon 0 D2 by K2 plus D3 by K3. D2 is D by 2, D3 is D by 2, K2 is 3, K3 is 3, K3 is 6. Substitute the value here. We get capacity of these two condenser in series combination, that is equals to A epsilon 0 upon D. This series combination here, in this case, in between P and Q, is in parallel with this capacitor having dielectric constant K1. Hence here, capacity of this parallel combination is equals to A by 2 epsilon 0 for this capacitor divided by D by 4 plus this series combination is 2A epsilon 0 upon D. Hence here, if you simplify this, we get 2A epsilon 0 upon D plus 2A epsilon 0 upon D. Hence here, in this second case, in case B, the capacity in between the point P and Q, that is equals to 4A epsilon 0 upon D. Thank you.